Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OnePlus Pad Go 2. In this video let me show you how to fix battery drain issues on this device. So let's start by opening settings on your device. Now let's scroll down to battery section, and the first thing that you can try doing is switching to power saving mode. Let's switch it, and as you can see my screen instantly became dark. And as well, you can see that you have super power saving mode that lasts even longer than a regular power saving mode. So let's enable it and see how it looks like. That's it. And as you can see, it says that battery can last up to 1 day, 16 hours and 54 seconds. That's really impressive. Additionally, you can edit it in the top right, but I will simply exit it. Okay, now let's go back to settings and let me switch back to my balanced mode. Next, you have to scroll down to battery usage application, battery usage by application, and see this list and figure out which application consumes the most battery. Okay, now that you have that information, you want to scroll down, and now let's restrict some background usage. So let's go to power saving settings, then select app battery management, and from the list go to application that you do not really care about. I mean that you don't care about receiving instant notifications from this application. And now you want to select restrict background activity. So when you enable it for this specific application, again, I repeat that you do not receive any messages. Okay, and I feel like that's all. I really hope that this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.